Welcome back, guys. This is Wills, and if you find this video to be useful, you can hit the like button, you can share, and you can subscribe to my channel. So in this part 2 of low competition and high demand gigs on Fiverr, I'm going to look at several types of gigs that you don't need a lot of training. You don't need too much skill to do this type of work. So the first one is called dance video. So if you search here dance, you can see there are 4,106 services being offered in this under this keyword. So for example, I'll use this guy as an example. This guy is just dancing. He will make a dance video for you, and his charges are from $100, and he will do African dance video for any song that you want. So you can see this guy has done so far how many videos has he done. So according to this statistic, we find that he has done 254. So we have other sellers for this. For example, this one will make a TikTok video and Reels video for you. Wow, you can see this seller has 6 orders in her queue. So maybe for these ones, people who are growing their TikTok channels, you want somebody who can just be dancing. You can see under this portfolio. Yeah, and it doesn't require a lot of skill. So instead of just dancing on TikTok without pay, you can come here, make a gig, and start earning from your videos. So that is it about dancing. So number 2, we have another low competition gig where you do writing of lyrics. So you start with the keyword lyric writing, song lyric writing. So as you can see, we have different services here up to 5,758, and you don't need a lot of skill. You just need to practice how to write song lyrics, and you can also learn from YouTube. I always like giving examples, the keywords you can use to search.
Did you know 47%
on YouTube
of TikTok users say that they bought something they saw on TikTok? Want to know something else?
How to write lyrics. Okay, so you just take your time, learn. There are very good videos here. You can see even this one is a TED video. It's teaching people how to write lyrics. So that is it about lyric, and you can make good money. For example, this guy here has done 212 gigs at $15. Now this one has done 307 at $75. So this is also another good low competition gig you can do on Fiverr. Then you can also write poems. You can search poem writing. Poem writing, you can see under this category we have 1437 providers. You can even choose to write poems for kids and so on, or some children poems and rhyming stories. This is also another simple skill that you can also learn on YouTube, how to write poems. There are so many tutorials covering that. Learn how to write a poem. Okay, so you just take your time, you learn how to write good poems, and you'll become a very good seller on Fiverr and make money. Then you can also write a video. You can write lyrics for music videos. So for example, you take a song, then you just write the lyrics that will be displayed on the screen instead of the original official video of the song. So there are also softwares that you can learn to use, and they are easy to use. You don't need a computer to do that. You can learn on YouTube how to make a video lyric songs. And we have guys that are explaining how to make lyric videos for free. So that is it about that. Then if you are also a DJ, if you love music, mixing music, you can also make money on Fiverr. You place a gig called DJ Mix. We have so many customers looking for mixes. So you can learn how to do that. We have 320 services of people who are providing DJ mixing services. Now for doing DJ mixing, you don't need very expensive equipment. You can use a software called Virtual DJ. It's also available free online, and the good thing is that the customers will give you the songs that they want to be mixed, so that you produce the work and submit to them online. So there are so many ways you can still earn on Fiverr by creating gigs based on the skills you have, or you can also learn new skills. And I hope this video will be useful to you, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.